check out our shirt on Teespring.
Hey folks, A9 Bowman comes tree gum. You know, complete, what's that, comeback edition. Yeah, I didn't like these cards. Maybe get Ken Griffey Jr. card. Yeah, the other autographs. Tim Finley, he was with the Giants. He looked a lot older now, but he used to be the third baseman coach for the Giants. Jerry Brown, Billy Ben, didn't play, rookie card. Lance, could have destroyed it. Barge, racing card, wins a contest. Who's this guy? Jeff Rizzo, Ricky Hatchard. I know it's good. John Kirk. And that's kind of disappointing collection right there. Got a couple rookies, I guess. Can't complain. I didn't like these cards. The problem with these cards are just too long. That's the only problem I had. I know we could keep them safe. So let me know you like and subscribe. Let me know you think. Maybe a better next time. Thanks for watching.